microgreens. These little guys are awesome. They're nutrient dense and they pack a punch. Just think about it. There's these little guys that are growing and evolving and trying to spread out all the nutrients, and they're so small, but they have such a little area for the nutrients to travel from when compared to their bigger counterparts that have a larger surface area for all those nutrients to expand and spread through. For example, these broccoli sprouts can have up to 100 times more nutrients than a head of broccoli. These are great to add more nutrients to your meals, especially for those people who are maybe not such a big fan of vegetables. You can add these in your smoothies, on your salads, eat them. They're delicious. They're great for people who don't like vegetables maybe as much because they don't have a distinct flavor like certain vegetables. And as we mentioned before, they're packed with good nutrients for you. One quick tip, we like to preserve these and keep them fresh by cutting them off at the root and then placing them in a container in our refrigerator in our vegetable drawer. So check out these guys when you're at your farmer's market, maybe even at your local stores, or you could possibly even maybe look up some ideas online to grow these in your own home. They might be little micro guys, but they're packed with macronutrient benefits.